All right, guys, this is Kelly from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course. I would like to thank you guys for joining this mini course. Okay, this course is not going to be fluff. It's not going to be fluff. A lot of you guys are already very familiar with mobile home investing. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Regardless of which course that you buy, this is going to be the same intro. Okay, I'm going to use the same intro for each and every course. So it's going to be three separate mini courses. The first course is going to be finding mobile home parks that allow for renting. The second course is going to be about renting to Section 8. And the third course is going to be creating notes. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to introduce myself, guys. My name is Kelly Harden. I'm a retired Army nurse. I was in the military for 20 years. I retired fairly young. After I retired, maybe a year after I retired, I found out that the nurses, I'm a retired nurse, that the nurses in California made a whole lot more money than the nurses in Texas. I am from Texas, but not originally. I'm originally from Detroit, Michigan. When I tell people I attended Cooley High School, they're thinking about the movie. No, it's not the movie, but I did attend Cooley High School. Okay. And so, guys, actually, Hills, Deals, and Wheels. Let me tell you a little bit about Hills, Deals, and Wheels mobile home investing course and the mini course as well. Guys, I am the voice of Hills, Deals, and Wheels mobile home investing course. My brother is the backbone of Hills, Deals, and Wheels mobile home investing course. And my mother is the brains of Hills, Deals, and Wheels mobile home investing course. In my course, guys, I do not teach you to quit your job. The main reason why I don't teach you to quit your job is because things can come up in the mobile home investing world. Okay, number one, it could be the taxes. It could be that you have to move the mobile home. It could be repairs. If you're trying to rent the mobile home out, which is our specialty, is to rent the mobile home out to Section 8. If you're trying to rent the mobile home out and guys, you don't have a renter and you're investing inside of a park, guess what happens? You are going to be responsible for the lot rent. Okay, so these are just some things that can happen. And if your pocket is not deep enough to handle that, guys, what are you going to do? Oh, wow, this other investor or this other instructor told me to quit my job. Guys, I do not teach you that. I had two jobs actually when I retired from the military. And the main reason for me having two jobs is because when I flew out to California, I wanted to make sure I had work. I didn't want to be sitting around twiddling my thumbs and I didn't have any work. So that's the reason why I had two jobs. And last year, I actually quit one of my jobs because my brother said, Kelly, you can't stand that job. We make enough money. Go ahead and quit it. And I quit it, but I still have another nursing job. So let me tell you something about the mini course. The mini course, guys, you will not have access to me. All you will have is the course. You will not be a member of our private Facebook group. You cannot contact me. You cannot enter our private Facebook group for those who have paid full price. Okay. The mini course is going to go over three topics. It's going to be three separate courses. The first course, like I mentioned, is going to be finding mobile home parks that allow for renting. The second course is going to be finding renters, dealing with Section 8. Okay. And then the third course is going to be creating notes for those of you who are still interested in seller financing. Those are going to be three topics because every time somebody reached out to me, they said, "Hey Kelly, I don't need to know all this. I need to know this part." Okay. Let me tell you something, guys. My family loves buying mobile homes and renting them out. Okay. And on occasion, there's going to be some repairs. I'm just going to keep it real with you guys. Okay. If that's not something that you're interested in, I would recommend you stray away from that. I would recommend you stray away from Section 8. Okay. If you like seller financing your properties out, purchasing properties that are fairly new. I don't advocate into buying junk. I'm not a flipper, a mobile home flipper, but if that's what you want to do, that's fine. What I'm telling you guys, we love dealing with Section 8 because this money is coming in for a lifetime because our mobile homes, guys, if you've looked at any of our YouTube videos, are 2017 and newer. Now, we have a couple of older ones, but for the most part, we have newer mobile homes. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you're here for fluff, I don't have time for it. We're going to get on with this. We're going to get on with this course. Like I said, it's going to be 3 separate courses. Will I teach more courses? I really can't say one way or the other, but as of right now, no, I'm just going to be sticking to those 3 courses. Okay. So right now, guys, I fly back and forth between California and Texas. I stay in California for about a month. I don't work the entire 30 days. I have several days off. Matter of fact, my coworkers are like, "Why are you still coming?" They don't they don't understand, because guys, I'm busy teaching the course inside of our private Facebook group. Okay, if you were to decide to go ahead and change it up and you want to go ahead and join the course, guys, you can contact me at 800-974-5580, and we can make some type of arrangement where you can pay off the remainder of the course. But as of right now, you will not have access to me. However, I'm going to be giving you a wealth of information, in my opinion, regarding mobile home investing, regarding dealing with Section 8, and regarding creating notes. Okay, that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so my brother's name is Joel Harden. He is a barber and a photographer, and my brother still works. And my mother's name is Albertine Thompson. She is retired from the Detroit News. And like I said, guys, I'm originally from Detroit. Now, I was born in Philly. I didn't stay in Philly very long. When my father was ex-military, we wound up moving to Detroit. And after my parents got a divorce, me and my family, me and my mother and my brother, we stayed in Detroit. And I was raised up in Detroit. But I knew I was not going to be staying there. And guys, I tell you, after being in the military for, I would say about, I don't know, about 15 years or so. I went to visit my mother because my mother had moved to Texas, and my mother said, "Hey, Kelly, I want to buy this mobile home." And I'm like, "Mobile home?" She showed me the mobile home. Guys, it needed a little work. Matter of fact, it was on private land. And this, like I said, I was in the military roughly about 15 years when she bought that up. And I was like, "Ma, nobody wants a mobile home. Are you crazy?" And guys, that was literally almost 20 years ago. And like I told you guys, if we would have listened to my mother, Albertine Thompson, that's my mom's name. If we would have listened to her, we would have been a lot further in the game. Okay. The reason why we like mobile home investing versus single family homes, and guys, I can speak on this, we can speak on this because we have 2 single family homes that are totally paid off. The reason why I can speak on this, guys, because why would I think about this? Why would you want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a single family home when you can get a mobile home for the fraction of the price? Let's just say roughly about $20,000. Let's say inflation, maybe $30,000 for a mobile home, and you get the same dollar amount in rent as long as the mobile home and the single family home is in the same zip code and has the same beds and baths. You can get the same rent. Why would I want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars? That makes no sense. I could take that money and turn around and get a bunch of mobile homes and get the same rent as long as it's in the same zip code. If it's in a different zip code, then there's going to be a fluctuation in price. Okay. And why is there a fluctuation in price? There's a fluctuation in price because the area where the mobile home is, the amenities, okay, the schools, okay, we already know that the better schools, the shopping, and all that kind of stuff, guys, that's going to make the dollar amount increase. The sought after areas is where people want to live, and this is what I teach you in this mini course, depending upon which course you purchased. Okay, if you want to talk with me, guys, if you want to change it up, say, "Hey, I want to be in the full course," you can contact me at 800-974-5580, and we can arrange a free Zoom. But if you want to stay in the mini course, do not contact me regarding, "Hey, I got a question regarding the mini course," guys, because that's not going to happen. Okay.